Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do a custom split design in Cricut Design Space. The screens may be different, but this is going to work on your iPhone, your iPad, or your computer. I'm just going to start by going to my uploaded images and grabbing the image that I want to split. I like this arrow and I'm just going to flip it horizontally down at the bottom. Stretch it to make it a little bit easier to work with. And I'm going to go to shapes and choose a square. I'll place it in the center of the arrow here, and then I'm going to go select the entire image, actions, and slice. Pull my arrow down. Okay, so now I have a split design that I can work with, but I need to be able to work in the middle. So I'm going to duplicate my arrow and I'm going to contour out each side. So I'm going to choose one of the arrows, contour out one side, and then I'll choose the other arrow and contour out the other side. Okay, so I can line it back up, and now I'm ready to enter the text in the middle. Okay, so I'm just going to create a new text box, choose a font that I want to go with, type my word, and remember with script fonts we have to decrease our letter spacing and then we have to weld. So I'm going to go to edit and decrease that letter space down. Okay, so I'm going to move one side of the arrow down and make my word a little bit bigger. Center my word and move the other side of the arrow up. I'm going to use the height position at the bottom to move it over just a bit. And now I'm ready to weld. So I'll select the entire design and I'll go to actions and weld. And now my machine will read it as one image instead of separate layers. And that's it. So like the video if it was helpful, and until next time, thanks guys.